What if you stop buying film and wrapping machines? Imagine an end of line where you only pay for the film you use. With our WAS service, you automate your processes, reduce costs, and release resources for what really matters, your business. Aranco's WAS service offers you the use of our wrapping machines without investment or fees. You only pay for the film you use. In addition, maintenance and an online tool, Client Web, that monitors each pallet are included, optimizing your decision-making. Our films are high performance and low micron, which reduces costs and waste. We reduce on average 67% of consumption per kilogram of film. Maintenance included. Online and on-site assistance within a maximum of 24 to 48 hours. And with the Client Web, you have full control over your end of line, with accurate reporting and up-to-date data. With our WAS service, companies can reduce their cost per pallet by up to 30%. With more than 2,200 investment-free wrapping machines, we are the only European company that guarantees the cost per pallet. Digitalization of your wrapping process and daily control of your costs with RFID technology. With more than 35 years of experience, we guarantee a quality service that provides reliability, security, and stability. You also contribute to a more sustainable world. We help you to reduce your environmental footprint. Don't buy wrappers, reinvent your end of line with our WAS service. Contact Aranco and find out how our services boost your efficiency.